The plant doesn't fail to bloom because it's weak, but because you're taking too good care of it. Welcome to Great Garden. In today's video, I'll share a plant care method that's completely opposite to what many people usually do. No chemical fertilizers, no complicated steps, just natural ingredients readily available in the kitchen. This method helps the plant recover from the inside out. Strong, healthy roots with a white-pink color. Thick, glossy, deep green leaves. Tall, sturdy flower stalks. Spathes open wide with a smooth, glossy surface. And bright, well-defined colors, showing the plant is in a vigorous, healthy state. If you've tried all kinds of fertilizers but your plant still won't bloom, this video is for you. And now, let's get started. This is an Anthurium plant that I cared for in the usual way, as many people do, quite complicated, requiring many different fertilizers and a lot of time, yet the results were not really as expected. It wasn't until later, when my grandmother taught me, that I realized sometimes the simplest things around us, even materials we usually throw away, can be reused to make effective organic fertilizer for plants. These are banana peels that I saved after eating the fruit. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and natural minerals, which help stimulate flowering, keep the leaves green and healthy, and strengthen the plant's resistance. To make this fertilizer, the first step is to cut them into small pieces, as shown in the video. Cutting the banana peels into small pieces helps break down their original structure, allowing nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and natural minerals to be released more quickly. As a result, the soaking or fermenting process becomes more effective, the solution decomposes more easily, and the plant can absorb nutrients better, supporting healthy growth and strong flowering. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, put all the chopped banana peels into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain many organic compounds, a small amount of nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals, which help stimulate beneficial microorganisms in the soil, support root development, and promote healthier plant growth. I add 1 teaspoon together with the chopped banana peels. After that, add 500 milliliters of hot water to soak the mixture. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. While waiting, I trim away any wilted, old, or damaged leaves. This helps the plant reduce nutrient loss, limit disease sources, and focus its energy on healthier parts, supporting a faster and more effective recovery. Next, to prevent the plant from being shocked when applying the organic fertilizer, I rinse the plant with clean water. This helps evenly moisten the growing medium, wash away salt buildup and dust, and reactivate the root system. Once the roots are sufficiently moist and well aerated, the plant can absorb nutrients more effectively, reducing the risk of root burn and allowing the recovery process to be safer and more efficient. After 1 hour, once the banana peel and coffee ground solution has cooled, I strain out the solids and keep only the liquid extract. This liquid is exactly what we need. After obtaining this liquid solution, I add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute it. Diluting the solution makes the concentration gentler and safer, helping to prevent shock or root burn, while allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually, evenly, and more effectively. Method 1. Pour the organic fertilizer solution made from banana peels and coffee grounds into a dedicated watering can. Then water slowly and evenly around the base of the Anthurium, so the nutrients can penetrate deeply into the root zone. This solution is rich in potassium and trace minerals, which help stimulate flower bud differentiation and promote the development of strong, thick, upright flower stalks. Apply once a week during the flowering stimulation stage. Once the plant is flowering steadily, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-lasting blooms, vibrant color, and healthy long-term growth. Method 2. First, pour the prepared banana peel and coffee ground solution into a small, clean cup. Then gently soak a soft cloth or cotton pad and wipe each side of the Anthurium leaves carefully. This solution helps remove dust and residue from the leaves while supplying natural nutrients such as potassium, nitrogen, and trace minerals, making the leaves healthier, darker green, and glossier. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and underside of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed effectively. Doing this 1 to 2 times per week will keep the Anthurium leaves clean and healthy, improve photosynthesis, and support stable plant growth. Method 3. Pour the organic fertilizer solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire plant, especially the undersides of the leaves and the base of the plant. This spraying method allows nutrients to be absorbed quickly through the leaves, stimulates metabolism, encourages flower bud formation, and helps flower stalks grow strong, with blooms developing evenly and maintaining good color. Spray evenly on both the upper and lower leaf surfaces, and apply in the early morning or late afternoon. Use once a week during the flowering stimulation stage. When the plant becomes stable and starts flowering, reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain effectiveness. Any leftover banana peel and coffee ground solution is poured into an ice cube tray and placed in the freezer for longer storage. Once the solution has frozen, you can place 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup. Wait about 15 minutes for them to melt completely and return to room temperature, then gently water around the base of the plant. At this point, natural nutrients from the banana, peels, and coffee grounds, such as potassium, nitrogen, and trace minerals, can be easily absorbed by the roots, helping to stimulate new root growth, boost resistance, and make the leaves darker green and glossier. At the same time, place the Anthurium pot in a well-ventilated area with bright, indirect light, avoiding harsh direct sunlight so the plant can photosynthesize well and maintain beautiful leaf color. With this simple method, the solution made from banana peels and coffee grounds becomes an effective organic nutrient source, helping Anthuriums stay healthy, develop strong roots, lush green leaves, and long-lasting beautiful flowers. Results after 2 months. After consistently using the organic fertilizer with the 3 methods above, the Anthurium grew steadily and entered the flowering stage. The plant developed in a well-balanced manner with dark green, thick, glossy leaves and no signs of pests or disease. Flowers appeared evenly with straight, strong flower stalks. The spathes opened wide and bloomed uniformly, with a smooth surface and a gentle sheen, clearly showing the characteristics of the Anthurium variety. The flower color was bright, vibrant, and even, with no fading or blotching during blooming. These results confirm that proper care conditions and suitable nutrition create a solid foundation for the Anthurium to continue flowering consistently in the following cycles. This gentle care method using banana peels and coffee grounds not only keeps the plant healthy and boosts its resistance, but also stimulates flower bud differentiation, helping the plant bloom more evenly and steadily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.